Good morning and welcome back to Mateki.com, April 20th, just around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, coming to the New York trading sessions open. What I'm looking for here is a continuation on the Euro USD. Remember yesterday during the New York session I traded a nice little 20 pip gimme trade on the Euro USD North, and overall what I've seen is this setup has developed into a larger movement on the pair for potential larger trades than the one that we saw yesterday. And that is something that we see very often in the market, is that once we have a nice initial movement form in there, that we continue to see further movements come in there on the pair. So right now what I'm taking a look at on this 30-minute compression, of course here is the line of supply that we talked about yesterday that is creating the bull movements here on the Euro USD. Okay, and we had traded this on the smaller compression. We take out a little 20 pip trade, as I said yesterday, and now what this has developed into is giving us a much nicer 60 pip or so initial movement on the Euro USD. And when we go ahead here and begin to analyze this setup using our Fibonacci's, we can see that we are seeing once again very nice respect of the fib expansions here in the market, and also the fib retracement. So there's my initial movement. I do have a retracement here in the market. We can go ahead and put that on the screen at this time just to show that. Again, this has become second nature seeing those retracements for me, so I really don't even use them until I'm looking for the trade entries. But here's showing the 50% retracement. From this 50% retracement, as you can see, what I've done is applied my fib expansions from this start point to this top right here, and I've received my 4 lines of expansions. Looking at here, we see 61.8. The market takes out that 61.8. We have a pullback in there. Now, if you do place your retracements according to that, you will see that there was a retracement to the 23.6 on that movement before the market. There you can see that continued trading north. From that 23.6 retracement, we saw the market take out the 100%. From that 100%, what we saw was a deep retracement here in the market, all the way down to its 61.8 retracement. Adjusting my retracements to show that. This is what we can see. Now, I will be honest with you, here at the 382, we did see this market turn around, but we were not forming any lines of supply in here that we were looking to take a trade off of, as you can see. Okay, we were starting to form here on the 30-minute, a nice line right here. We saw the break, so we knew that there was going to be a heavy retracement, as we can see that heavy retracement coming in here on the market. And again, during this trading hour was the Asian session, where we don't really look for the trades to be taken. So what I saw coming in here to the London, I did not take this opportunity because I was not trading this morning's London session, just getting some extra rest. We saw this market take out a 61.8, create a second point here of a demand line. As you can see, the first point coming from here. Very nice degree of angle here, attainable by the market, sustainable by the market, I'm sorry. And from here, what we can see is the continuation clearly up to the 127.2 fib expansion. From there, we have seen what we have seen once again coming from the 100% and from the 61.8, and that is a retracement here in the market that you can see currently happening as we speak on the Euro USD. So let's go ahead, take a further look at the retracements on this pair. And what we can see now is that we are currently testing the 382 here at the moment as we speak. There is the 382 being currently tested by this market. Now, I'm not expecting this market to turn just yet. What I'm expecting this market is to continue trading south and take out this 50% and find support here on this 50% and find support once again on this line of supply. And if I see this happening, if I start to see on the 5-minute price action giving me bounces here of 5 to 10 pips off of that area being the retracement with the supply line, then I will definitely be interested here in this large trade for that final fib expansion to be paid out, being the 161.8, lying at around the 1.3540 price level on the Euro USD. So here, as I've said many times, speaking of the New York fakeout, I anticipate that we're going to see a continuation here on the New York fakeout, meaning that this is not going to be the true overall direction of the market on the Euro USD. And then we will see the continuation once support is created for the 161.8. Now, If this market proves me wrong and continues to trade south, what I will be looking for is penetration of the supply line, excuse me, of his demand line. Once the demand line is violated by price, I will no longer have interest in waiting for this market to turn here for the payment. But in reality, the perfect scenario for me here would be to see this pair once again continue here during the next 15-30 minutes or so, drift down towards that 50%. Hopefully this 50% is going to hold this market here, and then when it comes intact with the supply line, we will see that market post some nice candles north, and then that's where we will enter. We will be having a very nice risk-reward ratio on this trade. We can project that early on here, just taking our crosshair and seeing from around the 50% retracement level up to that 61.8. We have 70 pips, okay? And basically where we would be putting our stop here is slightly below our 61.8. So what we would be looking at here is about a 20 pip stop, a nice hefty 20 pip stop for a 70 pip return. So looking at over 1 to 3 risk reward, which I would definitely like here to take the opportunity to trade. So again, what I'm looking for is for the market to turn here off of the areas of support created by the retracements and to create that third point of the demand line. And from there, I will be looking for the continuation movement up to the 1.3540 price level. So I just wanted to keep you updated here coming into the New York session. If I do take the trade, then I will update a video with the trade analysis. With that said, have a great morning, good luck, and happy trading.